In this tutorial, we will cover min price and max price settings in SELLERLOGIC Repricer. These configurations are mandatory for any repricing strategy. Without them, price optimization will not run. In short, the min price defines the lowest price your product can reach, and the max price sets the highest price the system can apply. This helps you protect your margins and stay competitive at the same time. It's important to remember that the shipping price is not included in either the min or max price. It's always displayed separately. First, let's go over manual setup. On the My Products page, enter Edit Mode and choose the Value option in the Min Price and Max Price fields. The value you enter as min price must be at least 0.01 in the currency of your marketplace and must be lower than the max price. The max price must be at least 0.01 higher than the min price. You can input values in other currencies using the currency converter, and the system will automatically convert them into your marketplace currency. Once done, don't forget to save. Quickly update these values directly in the My Products table if manual entry is enabled. Next, we will examine how the automatic calculation works. SELLERLOGIC uses a reverse calculation formula to set prices automatically based on your target profit. Select the automatic option instead of value for min and max price. You enter the relevant cost components and your desired net profit, which can be set either as a fixed value or as a percentage. First, fill in the following fields. For FBM sellers, you need to input the net purchase price, shipment fee, VAT, and other fees. Amazon referral fees are typically also pre-filled and editable if necessary. For FBA sellers, you need to input the net purchase price, VAT, and other fees as a fixed value. Amazon referral fees and FBA fees are pre-filled automatically based on your product data once the product has stock, but they can still be adjusted manually if needed. After entering your cost inputs, proceed to the calculation field. Here you have two options to set your desired profit. Select net profit on purchase price if you want to specify a fixed profit amount. For example, $10 added to your product cost as a min price and $20 added to your product cost as a max price. Choose net profit in percent on purchase price if you prefer to define your margin as a percentage. For instance, a 15% profit added to your product cost as max price. This value must be 0 or positive. Hover over the info icon next to the price field to see the calculated absolute profit, which will appear in green for profit and red for loss. To better understand, let's look at an example. Suppose you want to sell a product with the following inputs. Let's recap the reverse calculation formula. If you aim for a profit margin of 10 euros, the setup would look like this. If a selling price of approximately 491 euros is used, the calculation will produce this result. Let's take a closer look to a final calculation. This confirms that with these inputs, the system will calculate a max price of 491 euros to match your desired profit using reverse calculation. Use the Calculate Now function to quickly update prices for several products at once. Here's how it works. On the My Products page, select the multiple SKUs you want to update. Then open the Bulk Actions menu. And in the Min and Max Price fields, select Calculate Now. Based on your previously defined rules, the system will automatically calculate or recalculate both the min and max prices for all selected products. For more detailed information, please refer to our separate tutorial about this feature. Let's discuss B2B pricing rules. If you sell to B2B customers, make sure the min price and max price for B2B are not higher than the B2C min price and max prices. Otherwise, the system will ignore B2B min and max prices and apply B2C min and max prices instead. With min and max price, you can ensure optimized pricing, maximize profits, and stay competitive in every sales scenario. For more information, visit our knowledge base at support.sellerlogic.com. If you still have questions, feel free to contact our customer success team.